Welcome to Bullman Built RC if you've never been here, and welcome back if you have. This just proves that I am a glutton for punishment. If you've never seen my Wheels of Fortune videos, go back a while and they are in there. You can watch me open one box or two, and then another box, and then another box, and see what all I got and see how that all transpired. I recently bought some Phoenixes to resell, and I figured I might as well get some Wheel of Fortune while I'm with it. So I went ahead and bought the Wheel of Fortune packs. I'll just sell the trucks in general, but I wanted the Wheels of Fortune. Let's go! I did get a set of the gold 105s. I'm not a huge fan of 105s. However, these are a rotating in and out of stock kind of thing. So these are not exactly rare by any means, but they are a little harder to come by just because they're not a normal in-stock item. So I picked up a set of those. Next! Alright. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. You ready? We'll go with this one. Oh, this makes me kind of nervous. So, obviously, there's one thing of tape on all these. I have not opened any of them. So, this is the top. We will see what we have. Usually, they pack the wheels down at the bottom and then pack everything else on top. So hopefully we'll get a little... Okay. Didn't see anything. Alright, you ready? We got... Ooh, sick. We got orange... What are these? Deltas? Aren't these deltas? Yes. Orange anodized Delta IFR rings. So these are the IFRs that go inside the actual rings. Very cool. I actually like that a lot. I don't have any orange ones. Ooh! And we got more, what are these, 425s? Yep, 475s. Got some 475 hubs. And we have...
Drum roll, please.
Clear Machete V2s. I'm actually a big fan of Machetes. The Machete V1s are actually my favorite Vanquish wheel, bar none. And then the V2s actually look really good, especially in clear. I like those a lot. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them. They may just go in the old box of goodies. Who knows? But for right now, I got those. That's cool. Next! I'm going to save this one for last. Okay, here we go. Oh, we got hubs. Hubs on top. We have, what are these? 475s. I've gotten a lot of 475 hubs in my Wheels of Fortune. We also got, ooh, these are what, scarns? Yeah. Clear scarns. Where'd the other one go? It's gotta be in there somewhere. Here it is. Nope, that's not it. We'll get it anyway. Anyway, 3 clear scarns right now. I'm going to try not to... There it is. There's the other one. I'm trying not to look. There's the other clear scarn. And now. Oh. You ready?
Drum roll, please.
Oh, baby! Yeah! That's what's up. Some purple machetes. These are so sick. Oh, man. They are so good. Man, they look so much better in person than they do online in pictures. They're purple, but when the light hits them, they get kind of lighter and kind of pink. Sorry if that's a little loud in the microphone, but God, those are sick. Oh, they're so good. Man, I sold my Dark Earth 105s because I didn't like 105s. But now that I have this with the Wheels of Fortune, I don't know what to do. I got 2 pairs of machetes, though. That's pretty sick. Knowing how much those are worth, I'd like to get rid of them. But it would be cool to have them, because... I don't... Dang. Now I don't know what to do.
I'm not sure what to do with my hands.
Be good just to hold them down by your side. Yeah, great.
But I did get the scarns. Man, those would look good, too. Ah, poop! Sick. I don't know. I don't know what to do. I don't know. We'll see what's in here. See. Oop. weird sound. Sounds like there's a bunch of bolts in there. I don't know what to do with those. Part of me wants to get rid of them and just take the money, and part of me wants to keep them. We'll see what's in here and see what we can do. Next! I don't know how this could get any better unless there's like another pair in there or something. The hell, that's already pretty much the jackpot right now. Alright. Okay, we'll let you see first. Okay, I don't know what you can see. We got, ooh, red scarns. I don't think I have a set of red scarns. Yep, there's that. What is this? This is, oh, sick! I got 2! Nice! I got 2 pairs of rings. Ooh, and hubs. More hubs. So I got a set of blue deltas. And then I also got a set of red scarns. It's not, I can't remember which wheels. There's one particular fancy premium, I think it's premium outer ring, whatever they want to call it, that won't work with the inner IFRs. But those are rad. Okay. And I got another set of 475 hubs. Got tons of 475 hubs. Alright, let's see. I don't know what those are.
Drum roll, please.
So, am I going to be shocked? Surprised? Is it going to be awesome? Let's see here. Ready? Machetes. I got another set of clear machetes. Sick. So I got 3 sets of machetes. 2 in clear and 1 in purple. Cool. So now I could take... Ooh, you know what? I almost knew this was clear, because if you put these inside here with those clear, it'd almost be red, white, and blue, and that would be so cool for a different build. You know what? Nah, I'd rather give them the bullies. Those are a little more custom. I got to thinking maybe these would be cool wheels to put on the giveaway truck, because it is kind of America oriented and things like that. However, I do believe these bullies with the custom cut on them, I don't know that those aren't even cooler. Well, obviously I think they're cool because we did them, but I wonder if, I just kind of think these are neater because you can make this. You literally have to have someone with a mill and stuff like that to get this. So I think these are actually still cooler. But now that I got all these hubs, I actually have hubs for the giveaway truck, which is super exciting as well. Alright, well, fellas and fellettes, I got a bunch of freaking wheels again, and it's awesome. I am super happy about the clear machetes, because like I said, I do like machetes and they look really good in clear. But man, these things are so sick. I cannot be happier about this. I kind of wanted a set of the 101s, but damn if these things don't look better in person, and I think are actually cooler than the 101s. I'm pretty sure these are cooler than the 101s. Those are so good. They're so good. I can't even make words right now. This is so much better than the other times that I got Wheels of Fortune that it's completely fine. They're so good. All right, cool. All right, well, that wraps up the Wheel of Fortune opening, and I hope this kind of maybe influences you guys that if you are going to get a new Phoenix kit or get anything like that, maybe get a new kit, go ahead and get the Wheels of Fortune. It's not nearly as much as you would pay for the actual wheels, and especially if you get lucky and you get something like the purples or whatever they have coming out now, because who knows what they're going to do next. And it will be so cool because you have no idea, and it's just kind of all a spin of the dice, or roll of the dice, spin of the wheel, spin the wheel. I don't know. I'm in such a good mood now. All right, that is all. I appreciate you guys watching. If you're not in my Facebook group, go do it now. Like and subscribe. Check me out on Instagram and check me out on my Facebook page for the channel, not my personal page. Bullman Built RC across the board. I will see you later. Bye! Hell Hell yeah.